just print the name and run the program. Then the program we are getting the output as Nevan. Okay,
Okay.
that is called assigning a variable. Okay, done. Listen, you got the answer. Puta, did you got the answer? Yes, good.
Not it. I'm
Okay.
still doing.
Okay, take your time.
I get restart C users G. It update a local programs Python 3.2 x.py
You got the error. What do you write? Tell me. Read the coding. Or share with me the screen. Can you share?
I can't share the screen.
Then tell me the coding.
What is on the screen or what I wrote?
What did you wrote?
I wrote is name equals season print name.
Where's the quotations? Forgot? It's a string value, so you have to put the quotation. Between the quotation, you have to write the string value. Put the double quotations or single quotation, you have to put right between the quotations mark. Do it again. Nevan, right? You got the answer?
I'm now gonna start doing the code actually.
Okay. Then, what's your name? This is your mom's name, right? What's your name, Puta? Rasika Gunu. Setuli, right? You're Setuli, right?
Teacher. It again also come like that.
Sorry? Just, okay.
I got the code. I done the code.
Also,
I
Okay.
wrote name equal to double bracket sugar plum, which is my favorite. I actually just wrote it, and then another double quotation. Then after that, I wrote print and hashtag. Not hashtag. I used brackets name, and then another brackets, and I got the result sugar plum.
Got the answer, right?
Yes.
Done. Okay. Good. Then,
If you want, I
Setuli?
can share my screen.
No, you got the answer.
teacher, I can't do that. No, it's not allowing me to do that.
Sorry. Share the screen, please. Setuli, are you okay? Got the answer? Okay, when we are creating a variable, there are so many three rules we have to follow, right? The first rule is you can't start a variable from the number. You can't start one name, two name likewise. You have to just start from the what is string, right? And what is the second rule?
The second one is we first go to write. Wait, we can write anything we like, and there must be an equal mark.
Okay. The second rule is you have to use the meaningful one, right? Don't write just a say in a is. Likewise, you have to give the meaningful name because when you are writing a program, you are writing thousands of lines. When you use you have to use meaningful because otherwise you can't. When you are writing thousands of lines, you can't remember what is this because you are creating thousands of variables. If there is no meaningful one, you can't remember what is this when you are writing the large program, right? So you
Yeah.
have to use the meaningful name, right?
Mm.
And the variable are case sensitive. It's mean here the name is the same.
No.
No, this is a two variables, different variables. Okay, so the variables are case sensitive, right? Then you have to give a little long lengthy name. Then you have to use the underscore because you can't keep the space now. Then like first, right? Like first you have to give the you can use the underscore if you want a lengthy name, right?
Mm.
Okay, then now we are going to assign a variable and get the values. Do with me, right?
Sure.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, I can only see teacher's screen. I can't see even the app even.
I already shared now. Others can see now my screen. The idle. Others can see now. Anyone,
Yeah.
can you see my idle?
Yes.
Then Tisen, you cannot.
Yeah.
Now can.
Teacher, I am telling I can't open this. I can only see Zoom.
You can't open your idle.
Yes.
Go to idle icon. Can't you find it?
No, teacher.
Did you install?
Teacher. Yes, teacher, I have installed.
Is there anyone to help you? No, your mom or dad?
Yes, teacher, my mummy is near me.
Can you ask her to find the icon?
Okay, teacher.
Here, now we are calling from the variable. Now we are calling name. Now run the program. Did you type? Here we are using the plus sign because here from the first line we are create a name variable and we are assigning value called Ashain, and now we are commanding the program computer to print the name by getting the value from the variable. Here we are not writing, we are not giving the name, we are just
Excuse me,
taking
teacher.
from yes.
Teacher, I can't see my idol.
Okay. Can you give me,
The timing.
can you do the desktop sharing? Then I can.
Ideally, take the ideally program and move it to the other side. Slowly go to move. Slowly to move. After I go to I.
Teacher, I can't share the screen.
So now I can.
I
That's right.
want you to share the desktop.
Name. Name space equal to space Ashain.
Go to remote control and give a
Teacher is telling host disable participant screen sharing.
Name is equal to Ashain. Excuse me, teacher. I have a small question.
yeah.
I would. I just never for some reason. Once again, it's okay. I won't correct that ever.
Okay, go to the search bar and search idle.
I did.
Teacher, I can't see that one also.
What? Then leave the Zoom and find it.
Okay. Excuse me, teacher. I had a power cut, so my computer was little bit taken to start it again.
Now okay. Got it start?
Yes,
Now can you start the lesson?
yes, but I have to wait until a little word said your respond. I have to wait until that.
Okay.
I have to write this one in Python, right?
Yeah. Open the idle and write this program.
Okay.
Anyone write?
Yeah. Once again, teacher, please excuse me. I write the code. Okay. First, let me describe this. No one caps lock. I just got to write a simple name, and not writing a simple name. I'm going to put say an equal mark, and not putting an equal mark. I forgot to put quotations. Maybe that's why I got an error. So then that quotation mark, caps lock again, Shane, and after writing Shane, I'm going to put another two-way tool. Yeah, just tool. And after that, I'm going to put a shift, again. Shift, yeah. Okay, then after writing that, I will move. Enter, and then after that, I will write print. And after writing print, I'm going to leave a small space. And then after leaving a small space, a bracket. And after writing a bracket, I got to put the quotation mark again. I got to put the question mark again. Yeah. After writing that quotation mark, what I got to do is don't use space, but write my space name is. But what is all my letters should be same. So then I should write caps lock M, and then after that I have to turn off my caps lock, and after that I gotta move. And then after that, I'm going to two-way.
Yeah.
After
Can you,
two-way, I'm going to put.
Putha, can you put the mute?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
My current when
Having power cut.
now only I joined.
Okay. Can you do it? Can you see?
Yeah, teacher. Yeah.
Okay, but we have. Shall I explain little?
Okay.
Yeah. Here we are create a name. Its name called variable, right? This is called variable. Variable means we are assigning values. It means we are using a variable to store a values, right? So first in this program we create a variable called name, right? And after that we assign a value called Ashane. So this is a variable and we assign a value. Now we want to print the my name is with using the assigning value in the variable. So we write the program like print open parentheses double quotations my name is close the double quotations and we are using plus sign to assign the to call the variable. So you are putting plus and the variable name and close the parentheses. Got it, Putha? Listen. Nevan, right? Then I'll give question.
Teacher.
Then I'll give you questions for each one. First start from Nevan, right? Nevan, switch on the music. Okay, then tell me you have to give the coding to print. I am 10 years old.
Using variables.
You had to print. I am 10 years old. You have to assign the value 10 from the variable.
It's only variable.
You have to use one variable called let's tell age and
Wait. My age should be the variable. And what I should write for the after the equal mark is my age.
yes, I am 10 years old. I don't know age or anything.
Okay.
All do it, huh? All others behind do.
Yes,
Setul,
teacher.
behind do write the program. I want to
Teacher, I'm
print.
writing.
Okay.
Teacher, I have finished writing.
Teacher, to write my age, I should write an underscore for 2 words.
Okay.
Teacher, when explain that one after you explained and finished it logged out.
Really? Okay, Bhupen. Do it again.
Do I have to write that, teacher?
Yes, try the first one first. Okay, behind the, you finished it? Tell me the coding.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me. Can you read?
Yes, teacher.
The name and print those two.
Okay,
I
send
have
right. Yes, Pute.
okay, teacher.
Once you ask the question, please mute, right? Then behind the share with me, can you share the screen?
Teacher, I am using my phone now. I'm joining with my laptop.
Okay. Then read the code. Never mind.
Teacher, can I please share my screen and can you correct my error?
Yeah, okay.
Oh wait, no, my god, I know maybe that's my error. Why I always do this? I have to keep this few in mind. The rules. First, my variable should be meaningful. My name is the variable. Then I got to put space and wait, sorry, I put underscore. Shift, shift. Move. Equal to space. Shift. Space.
Teacher, we have to write age 7 print I am plus name.
I am 10. You have to write I am your age. I am your age.
10 years old.
In the first one, do we have to write age 7?
Yes, age 7 means you have to assign a variable. Otherwise, you can't call. I told you to write
Teacher,
sentences using the. I want to print the sentence using the one variable. You have to use the age variable.
excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Shall I share my screen?
Okay.
I'm very sorry, teacher, I done the code.
Teacher, I cannot share my screen now.
Nevan, can you read the code? We have to move into next.
Sure, I done the code and I can even share the screen if you want.
Okay. Yes, yeah.
Teacher, you cannot start. Oh, it's someone else is sharing screen.
Okay.
So I can't share.
Okay, then just read. Let's move to next.
Sure. Okay, the command is I should write my underscore name equal to two quotations, and then I wrote 10 years old. Then I wrote print bracket my name, so my underscore name, and then it gave result 10 years old.
Can you share with me? I asked you to assign the variable with age variable, right? Not the name.
Wait, H variable.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay. Check with my answer.
It's okay, teacher. I can assign it to H variable.
Okay, behind you can. Are you okay? You have done the coding.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you got the answer, right?
Yes.
Then Setuli? Setuli. Tisen? Have you finished? Okay, shall we move into next? All done. Okay, now we are going to assign a multiple variables, right? Here we are creating x variable, comma y variable and z variable, and we are now equal sign, and we are now assigning values. Let's assign values, comma comma. Okay, then we want to print those values. How to call those values? Print x, print y, print z. Okay, let's run the program. Here they are giving all the variables values what we assign, right? Here, okay,
Mm.
we are assign multiple variables at once. Got it? Okay. Then create. Now we are going to give a one value to multiple variables. Here we are giving multiple, we create multiple variables and giving different values. Now we are going to create multiple variables with one value, right? Okay, let's run the program. Here, sorry, the car. You have to put the equal sign. Now let's run the program. Here we are giving the same value to multiple variables. Okay.
Okay.
I'll give Now I want to write the program. You have to assign variables called truth variables. Okay, values are orange, apple, and banana. You have to create three variables called x, y, and z, and you have to assign the value apple, got it, orange, and banana. And you have to get the values from print command. Can you write the
Yes.
program?
Yeah.
Are you okay? You are doing right?
Yes, teacher.
Rituli?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, then
No,
write.
teacher.
Why Pute?
Teacher, my lap is broken.
Okay, what
It's not
happened?
working. It's not working.
Now, from what you are logging?
From a mobile.
Okay, Pute, then you can type it, no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, then write down in a paper and tell me the answer. I'll correct it. Okay? Okay, Puta.
Hmm.
The question is you have to create three variables x, y, and z, and you have to assign the values apple, banana, and the orange, and then put the command to print those values.
Excuse me, teacher, if it's not a problem, can I see a small example? Because I'm getting an error like this. They say that there are too many values to unpack.
Read the coding. Can you read? Oshia.
I can read them.
Okay, then
Feels like
read.
most is in code file as you could
No,
say
Puta,
file
not the
and
syntax.
ever value ever. Too many values to unpack. And
Yeah,
then after that bracket expected tree.
no, I told you to read the coding, not the syntax error. Just
Uh,
read the coding.
wait, the coding I wrote.
Mhm.
Mm, X after I wait. Ah, wait. I wrote. I didn't write the equal marks.
Yes. No need the
Wait,
equal marks, right?
wait. X equal Y equal Z.
No. We are using x equal y equal to assign the same value. I gave you the several values, not the same one. So you have to use the comma.
That's what I did, no?
Okay, read the.
Teacher and Setuli, shall I tell my one?
Keep it.
X, comma, Y, comma, Z equals apple, banana, no, apple, comma, banana, comma, cherry, print X, print Y, print Z, X equal, Y equal, Z, egg, inverted commas, egg.
Cherry. Okay. Where's the you have to write the names within the double quotations. You got the answer, no, right? You got the output?
No, teacher. I
Yeah, Putra,
can't find.
you have to write the.
Teacher, I can't run.
Okay, Putesh, you have to write the. I forgot, sorry. You have to write the variables values within the double quotation because they are string values now. They are using
Okay.
API letter now. So you have to use double quotations.
Okay, teacher.
Then shall I read the check with my
No.
one, right?
Teacher, I found the code.
Okay, you got the output.
I didn't get the output, but I found out the code, teacher.
Found the code means?
I know what to write.
Don't search, huh?
I didn't search it anywhere.
Do it alone.
You done some examples, right? That's what I did.
Yes. Tetuli, shall I read the answer? Check with your one, right?
Okay.
Oh, can you see my screen?
Yes, teacher, I can see your screen.
Okay, then wait little until the others finish, right? Then I can give the answer.
Okay.
Then behind the you finish.
Teacher, I'm doing the last one.
Okay.
X, comma, Y, comma,
Excuse me, teacher.
Z.
Puta?
Teacher, why is Python not working always?
Did you install properly?
Yes, teacher.
Puta, install and it can. Hear me? Install again, Puta.
Okay, teacher. Teacher, can you send me the link again?
Okay, wait.
Okay, teacher.
Teacher, my one's not working. Can you please share my screen? Teacher? Can I share my screen, teacher? My code's not working properly.
Share.
Teacher, because the other participant is sharing, I can share.
Wait. Okay, share.
Okay. Share screen, share screen. Sorry, wrong thing. I accidentally went to the wrong. Wait, please, wait, teacher.
Okay.
Yep. Then after I entered it, so then I can write print X, then after print Y and print Z, but it didn't work.
Here put the cherry apple banana. You have done this coding before, this question.
We done it, but when we done testing, it didn't work.
Okay. Okay, then the coding is X, okay, comma, y comma z comma equal cherry. Uta, each value you have to write within the double quotation, open double quotation. Here cherry within the double quotation, comma apple within the double and
So
comma
that's why
right. Got it?
I got it.
Then you have to call print x, print y, print z.
Mm.
Then run the program.
Sure.
Behind, can you share the screen?
Also sharing, teacher, please wait for 1 second.
Behind, are you there? Behind.
Yes, teacher, but I cannot run.
Is there any errors?
I don't know, but I cannot run it.
Why? Run it.
I am clicking run, but it's nothing is happening.
Click it.
It's showing a different one.
Show me the answer. Output.
This is what it showed.
Now the output. Yeah, the idle. This is the previous one, no? The coding is correct. The previous program, no? I gave you another one.
I was late that time.
Okay. Okay, then Nevan, until the others finish, you create the program
Yeah.
A, B, C, 3 variables.
Mm.
All the variables are same value, fruit,
Yeah.
fruit, then print those variables.
Wait, that means I have to write those variables and only write one word.
Yeah, you have to assign 3 variables A, B, C, and those variables have same meaning, fruit. The value is fruit. Okay,
Sure.
got it? Okay, then do it until the others finish.
A equal B equal C, right?
Yeah.
P R I N. Sorry. A equal mark B equal mark C. Then after writing A, B, and C, it should put another equal mark. Space equal mark. Space. Bracket. Denote that.
Excuse me, teacher. Excuse me, teacher.
පුතේ.
Teacher, shall I read my one?
Okay පුතා.
A, comma, B, comma, C equals double quotation fruit.
Hmm.
Print A, print B, print C. A equals B equals C. Double quotation fruit.
පුතා, the coding is A equal, B equal, C equal, open within the double quotations fruit. Okay. Print A,
Okay.
print B, print C. The output is orange, orange, sorry, fruit, fruit, fruit.
Okay, teacher.
Wait, I have a
Teacher,
small
is-
question, teacher. I done that code. I got a result, but I wrote print A what equal food, print B equal food, print C equal food, or I just want to write print A, print B, print C, then only should press equal. I'll share my screen.
Both are correct, but once you assign the same value, use the same one sentence. Just A equal, B
sentence.
equal, C equal, within the double quotation fruit, print A, print B, print C.
Okay.
When you are writing a program, you have to make sure the little uses little sentence. Don't write wide one.
So,
You can finish it within one sentence and no need two sentences.
okay.
You finish? Bihandu, no? Finish?
excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Puta.
Teacher, in my sentence, is the coding is correct?
Yes.
Program is correct?
Yes, Puta. The last one, no?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. The coding is A equal, B equal, C equal within the double quotations fruit. Then print A, print B, print C. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Shall we move into next one? Are you okay with the variables? All are?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Let's move into next one, right? Here the next topic is the Python operators. Have you done before the operators?
No, teacher.
Okay. Then in Python there are several operators, right? We are using operators to perform the variable values. Okay?
Yeah.
To do something using the variable values, we are using operators.
Mm.
There are several operators called arithmetic operators,
I know those, teacher.
sorry.
Yeah, I remember them.
Up to your age, you have to learn only the arithmetic, comparisons, and the logical operators. Only these three operators you have to learn up to your age, right?
Mm.
Okay, then tell me one example for the arithmetic operators.
4 plus 5 is equal. And say 4, 5 equal in brackets.
Okay, there are several arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, likewise. Then you know what is addition, right?
Yeah.
Here, I'll give the example. For the addition, just you are doing simplify the additions one. Just x, we are creating x. In the first example, we are creating variable called x and assign a value 5. And we create again the y variable and assigning value 3. And we are just doing the operations using the plus operator, right?
Mm.
Then this is the first example. We are using addition operator. And the second one, we are using the which operator?
Arithmetic.
Subtraction.
Wait, for subtraction, subtraction.
Subtractions one. Here we are subtract 5 from 3. Here we are creating again same value, same variables. Just use the subtraction operator. And the second one, and the third one, we are using multiplications operator. We are just multiply x variable by y, right? And the next one, we are using which variable, which operator?
Division.
Yes, division variable. We are just divide x variable by y variable.
And teacher, last question. What's the right name for the multiplication symbol?
Sorry, I didn't get.
Teacher, what's the symbol we call for the multiplication? What's that
Star
symbol?
sign. Star sign.
Hmm?
Star sign. Got it?
Yes, star sign. Okay.
Okay. Then the modulus sign. Modulus mean what? Have you done before?
Comparing.
Yes or no?
Comparing.
No. Here we are,
Percentage.
the answer is giving just the remainder. We are
Yeah.
dividing 5 by 2. The answer is 2, right? And there's a 1 remainder. Then in modulus, we are just giving the remainder one.
Only
Not the
remainder.
answer. Okay? Got it?
Got it.
And the next one, we are giving the exponent. Here, for that, we are using double star sign.
Yeah.
For that, we are giving the power of the operator. Here, 2 to the power 5. Just the exponent. Okay, we are using double star. And the last one, floor division. Here, we are dividing 15 by 2. What is the answer?
I'm divide 15 by 2. How many 2s are there? 15. 2, 4, 6. Actually, wait. How many 2s are there? 14. Just 7.
7 and 1 remained.
Yeah.
So the floor division makes its round the result down to the nearest whole number. Then the answer is 7. They are round to the nearest whole number. Okay. Then the answer is 7.
Okay.
What is that operator name?
What's it operator? The floor division in arithmetic.
The operator name? Bihandu. What is this operator name?
Teacher, my lap had low battery, so it shut down.
You're having power cut.
Now my lap's battery became low, that's why it shut down.
Can you put into the charger?
I am putting the chart right now because I am joining with my phone.
Okay. Okay, then. Did you can hear me now, right?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Then we have done. Now tell me what are the operators?
Addition, subtraction, multiplication,
Addition,
division,
subtraction,
modulus,
multiplication,
exponentation,
division,
and flotation.
modules,
And the float.
floating.
Okay. Okay, I'll ask one by one. Okay, then Setuli, tell me what is modulus? Setuli. Okay, then Neval,
Teacher, I couldn't understand that.
you didn't
Teacher,
understand.
teacher,
Yes.
modulus is dividing the answer. And after dividing the answer, we get a division. And when you find a number which is close to that, but not the exact number, we round it up into the number which is not the number, but we just round it up.
Okay, I'll explain.
Closest number. We want to closest number to the number we want.
Okay, then I'll explain. The modulus sign we are using to get the remainder, right? Just example, we are dividing 5 by 2. What is the answer? 5 by 2. When we are dividing 5 by 2, what is the answer, Setuli? Setuli, can you hear me?
Yes.
Then what is the answer? Dividing 5 by 2. What is the answer?
10.
5 by 2. You have to divide, not multiplication. Just divide 5 from 2.
2 times 5 nane. 2 times 1 makes 5 waking honey.
Not times pute, just divide. This
2
is not the
times 5
exponent.
honey.
Just divide. 5 divided by 2. You have to divide.
Means how many 2s are there in 5?
4.
5 dividing by 2.
How many 2s are there?
පහ දෙකෙන් බෙදුවම කීයද?
Teacher, I know.
Then we have to explain what is modulus.
Teacher, I didn't hear it properly.
Can you explain what is modulus sign?
Yes.
2.5.
Yeah?
2.5.
No, yes, 2.5, right? So in this modulus sign, we are getting the answer 2 and we are keeping the remainder as the 1. Okay? Then the answer is 1. We are in the modulus sign, we are using on the remainder, not the answer. Okay? Setu, you got it? Setuli, got it? Okay. Okay, then shall we move into the exercise?
Sure.
Okay, start. Nevan, start first one. And we have to do the second one and Setuli do the third one. All, can you understand what I'm saying?
Of course, teacher.
Then start the.
We have to do, and I have to divide that too, right? Divide 10, right?
You are doing the second one, right?
Yes.
I need the coding.
Okay.
X equal to.
Once you finish, share the screen, okay?
Sure. Please excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Sorry, teacher, I'm very sorry about that. I'll do.
Excuse me, teacher.
Putta?
Teacher Setuli, shall I tell the third answer?
Just tell me the third one.
5.2.
No, Putta, I'm asking not the answer. I'm just asking the coding.
Okay, teacher.
And the answer is also not the 2.5. You told 2.5.
No, teacher, 5.2.
Huh?
Teacher, I told 5.2.
12 by 5.
Teacher, 2.5 is correct, right?
2 point also not correct.
But that's not. But 2.5 is the correct number. But that's not what is right here.
2.5 is correct in mathematics. In this program, 2.5 is not correct. Mathematically correct. But here we are asking the modulus value now. Setuli, try it again.
Okay.
Teacher, my phone is shut. My phone is low battery. Shall I join with my lab?
Okay, over there.
Teacher, I found out the code. I can write it.
Okay,
Teacher, is the answer 5?
which one? Setuli, right? The answer is not 5, Pute. You have to divide 12 by 5.
Okay.
Okay, Nevan, share the screen.
Teacher, I had to erase that because I done a small mistake. I done the answer, but I forgot to do it in one sentence.
Okay.
But the answer, wait, one second, please excuse me, teacher.
I just need the coding, not the answer.
What I want is x is equal to 5, and but before that I put two double quotations, and then after that I wrote, so yeah, first I wrote x is equal to 10, then after writing that I put double quotation, then after that in y I wrote one double quotation, and I wrote 10 So 10, 5, and then after that I wrote a double quotation, and after writing that I wrote print x and print y. Then after that they gave me, and when I put plus mark and they gave me answer. The plus
What,
multiplication.
what the output you got?
The answer.
What?
I got
What?
the answer. 50.
50. The answer is, sorry, the answer is print, open parenthesis, 10, star sign, 5, close the parenthesis, and then run the program. The answer is 50.
Okay.
Others also do it, na? Write down. No?
Teacher Setuli,
Okay, Buddha. Tell me the answer.
teacher, I couldn't understand that.
Okay, Buddha, here divide 12 by 5. In mathematical, if we are doing mathematically, the answer is 2.4. No?
Oh no, teacher. 2.5.
Yes.
2.4, right?
Other one.
Then, when we are dividing 12 by 5, the answer is 2.4. But I am asking not just to divide. I am asking the modulus value. Putte. Modulus means we are using the remainder value, not the answer. Here we are dividing 12 by 5. When we are dividing 12 by 5, there are 2 5s. It means 10. Okay. When we are making 12, 10 plus 2, no? For the 10, there are 2 values when we are dividing by 5. And there are remain 2. We can't divide 2 by 5 to get the whole number, no? So we are
Yes.
keeping that 2 as a remainder. Because we can't get whole number no? When we are dividing 2 by 5, we can't take a whole number. So we are keeping that 2 as a remainder. That is the answer. That is called modulus. For the modulus, we are using on the remainder, not the answer. Got it, Pute?
Okay.
So the answer is, Puta, print. You just write, Pute, you can't code, no? Print, open parenthesis, 12. Okay, the percentage sign.
Teacher, can you wait?
Okay, Bude.
Teacher, can you tell it again?
The answer is print,
Okay, teacher.
open parenthesis means open bracket, 12.
Okay, teacher.
The percentage sign.
Teacher, can't you write and show me?
Okay, can you see it? Okay, I'll write.
No, teacher, I can't see your screen.
Okay, wait, Puta. This is the answer. For the first one, the answer is print 10 to 5.
Teacher, should you erase that twin 12 divide modulus 5?
Yes?
Should we erase that print the modulus symbol?
Why erase?
Because you are doing a multiplication.
No, this is for third one answer.
A third one answer. But I told you doing first one's answer, teacher.
One is this one. Print.
Oh yeah.
Okay. The second one answer is just divide 2.
Teacher, I worded it in another way.
Share.
The way I wrote that is using the. Oh my god, I can't believe I forgot the word. Syllables, not syllables. Wait,
Can you share your answer?
we're not that teacher. We be learning that for a lot. What do I call that? What's good, teacher?
Behind the finish, you got the answer.
Oh, teacher, I got my answer.
No,
Yes.
teacher, I'm still writing.
Okay. What is the answer? I'll put the answers. Check with you one to there. Okay, that's all for today. And ask if you have any questions. Ask now. This is
I don't have any questions.
Q&A time. Ask any questions. You
Oh,
have to.
teacher.
Is there any questions? Then Setuli, you have any questions?
Yes, teacher, I can't download Python, no.
Uta, I send you the link.
Okay, teacher.
Still can't. Still
Teacher,
can't.
can't you put it to the group?
Okay, I'll ask the institute to put in the link, right?
Okay, teacher.
Then Vihandu, do you have any questions?
No, teacher.
All understand?
Yep.
Yep, teacher.
Then I'll send you the note and the worksheets, right?
Yeah, sure.
You have to finish the worksheet before Tuesday, right? Wednesday, 5 p.m. right? Before 5 p.m. you have to send it to my email address, right? Then we can discuss next
The
week.
institute.
No, I'll send you the my mail address.
Sure, teacher.
Okay, no problems, right?
No, teacher, and thank you so much for teaching the coding, teacher. I learned a lot, teacher. So thank you so much.
Then let's wind up the class. Then see you. Stay safe.
Okay,
Bye.
see you later, teacher. God bless you, teacher. Bye.
God bless you, teacher. Thank
Have
you,
a nice
teacher.
day, teacher. Good night, teacher.
Good night.
Thank
Bye,
you,
teacher.
teacher.